Hi guys and welcome. Today in this video we're going to be talking about how can you spend less time to create anything for online activity. It doesn't matter you're running a YouTube channel or you making some business or you're running your own blog. Definitely this tool will be handy for any human being on this planet who want to work faster, easier, and spend less time for making all that happen. I found the tool and I'm using it all the time. It's called PR.tools, and here you can find a lot of prompts. It's 1,000+ prompts to interact with a ChatGPT in different type of actions. Titles, books. You can create a book, you can create descriptions for video, you can create a lot of interesting things, and I'm going to show you how it works. So the site looks like that, and here you can sort all the prompts by date, rating, uses, reviews, or the title. And there's a lot of categories. Like academic, AI, animation, art, books, health and wellness, SEO, taxes, marketing, writing, personal. A lot of tools, and all you need to do is just search for some specific type of thing that you want. For example, let's say you are a marketer and you want to create an online course for marketing. You need the outline for your online course. Let's create it right now using PR.tools and ChatGPT. So we're gonna put here outline, for example, just press enter. All the things connected with this topic, with outlines, article content outline creator, detailed blog outline, create blog post, outline developer, cookbook outlines, and all the things like that. Let's use this outline developer, and all we need to do is to put here all that we need. Like we need an outline for an online course on digital marketing. You can press this button copy, or you can jump to the prompt itself and put the same stuff inside. Let's press copy here, and it will automatically open the ChatGPT for you. So you don't need to go to other tab to open ChatGPT. All we need to do is to paste the text here, just Command V or Control V, depending on the type of device you have, and send message. Here you go. The ChatGPT is working. It's given us like all the things that we need. Digital marketing strategy. It's complete outline for an online course on digital marketing. Look at that. It's working. It's giving us a fantastic result. Continue generating. And this is something crazy. Because, for example, if you really need an online course, it would take like a day or two to just type all the stuff that you need on your computer, and we have the result just in couple seconds. And this is incredible. And there are 1,000+ prompts for any kind of your needs. Look at that. The result is absolutely great. So you can grab it, or you can remake it as you want. You can rewrite it. You can regenerate response if you're not satisfied with the response of ChatGPT. But in general, what I'm talking about here, I'm saying that you can make all your efforts of create something just to be easy and fast. Social media content planner. Teach GPT Advanced. Explain complex topics easily. This is absolutely cool feature. This is absolutely powerful website, and it's absolutely free. It has 1,000+ prompts to interact with the ChatGPT, and you can find here literally everything that you want, like storytelling, best short definition, Twitter engaging tweet, SEO article, invoice email templates, cold emails, and so on. So if you're running your business, if you're working online, you can find here tons of useful and powerful prompts and save like a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of efforts just using PR.tools. This website is free for now. I do think that they will put some prices for all of these prompts, but right now it's absolutely free. You can grab it, you can use it, so make sure to check it out. The link is in the description panel of this video. And guys, believe me, it will save your life, literally, because you're spending time to make the things online that you can make like in a couple minutes, and it would take like, I don't know, week or couple days to create an online course, and I showed you how to make that happen like in just couple clicks. So strongly recommended, absolutely powerful tool, PR.tools. Go to the description panel of this video, find the link, and check it out by yourself. Thanks you all for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed and hope this information was useful. So take care, guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.